Imagine the universe as a grand theater where black holes are the mysterious protagonists. These cosmic giants aren't just vast voids, they're cosmic conundrums where the rules of physics go wild. Picture them as cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking in everything around them, even light itself, creating a bizarre dance of gravity where space and time twist and contort. But here's the kicker. These enigmatic black holes might hold the keys to secrets of the universe's past and future. Scientists believe they could be cosmic factories churning out new particles and elements, essentially shaping the very fabric of galaxies. It's like a colossal recycling plant where matter gets sucked in, only to be repurposed and flung back out into the cosmos in ways we're just starting to grasp. So, while black holes might seem like dark abysses, they're actually cosmic crucibles, cooking up the ingredients for the universe's epic saga. Who knows what other surprises they hold in store for us? Black holes may be the key to understanding both gravity and quantum physics. According to new ideas, some theoretical models say they could be doors to other worlds or dimensions. What if the explosion at the center of a black hole is not an end, but a way to get to other places in the universe, or even to other universes? New computer models suggest that there might be white holes, which are the theoretical opposites of black holes and are thought to throw away matter instead of consuming it. Could the matter that goes into a black hole in our universe also go through a white hole in another, helping to make a brand new universe? The puzzle grows with the idea of quantum hair, a theory that disagrees with the no-hair theorem, which says that black holes can only be described by their mass, charge, and angular momentum. Quantum hair suggests that black holes might have more complicated and recognizable features. They might store information about the matter they consume in a way that can be retrieved, which would make it harder for us to understand how information is lost and how quantum mechanics works. Also, black hole mining, the process of getting energy from black holes, could give civilizations power sources that are beyond anything we can imagine right now. A highly developed society might be able to get almost endless energy by using the spinning energy of a black hole. We are on the verge of making new discoveries studying black holes. Black holes are huge objects with very strong gravity. They can help us figure out how our universe works and maybe even what will happen to all the matter and energy in it. If we ignore these strange events, we might miss the plan for how the universe evolved and our place in it. One less talked about effect of fully knowing black holes has to do with the cosmic web, which is the universe's huge network of filaments made of dark matter as anchor points around which galaxies form and change. Black holes may be very important in creating this web. If we don't understand this connection, we might not have a full picture of how the world is built and the forces that shape it. Another idea that isn't often thought of is that black holes might be like labs in space where the basic forces of nature come together. Extreme conditions close to the event horizon of a black hole may show how gravity and quantum mechanics combine in ways that can't be seen directly elsewhere. Scientists have been confused for decades about the inconsistencies between relativity and quantum physics. This information could help them figure them out by leading to a unified theory of physics. Some people also think that black holes play a part in the end of the world. Some theoretical scientists think that black holes might be the only places where energy and matter can be found as the universe cools down and grows bigger. Figuring out how they act over time could help us understand how the universe might end, not with a bang, but with a whimper as black holes slowly disappear or eat up all the matter left in it. The idea that our world is part of a multiverse system could also be proven or disproved by studying black holes. There are ideas that each black hole might be a doorway to a different universe within the multiverse, each with its own set of rules of physics and history of the universe. If this is true, it would completely change how we think about reality. It would mean that our world is just one of many bubbles in a cosmic foam. So if we don't study black holes, we might miss out on important new information about the structure of the universe, the rules that govern it, and maybe even the finding of other universes. The search for answers to these cosmic mysteries isn't just a matter of scientific interest. It could change the way we think about life itself. Black holes are the universe's best at packing matter into small spaces, but they're also very mysterious, which suggests they're not just the end of stellar development, but also key to understanding the universe. These huge objects with strong gravitational pull make it hard for us to understand how they built the universe and maybe even how universes came to be. New ideas in theory suggest that black holes might be the places where the universe's basic symmetry breaks down and then rebuilds itself. This could help us understand how the universe came to be. From this point of view, black holes are not just sinks for gravitational waves, but are also very important for recycling and rearranging matter and energy in the universe. It's interesting to think that black holes might not only change space and time, but they might also connect the universe together. More and more people are wondering if the processes going on at the event horizons of black holes could help us figure out how dark energy affects everything. Imagine a world where black holes are the hubs of everything. They are not only the ends of stellar evolution, but also the entrances to understanding how dark matter and dark energy interact with each other. From this point of view, black holes are not just gravitational sinks, but also cosmic laboratories where the biggest puzzles of the universe might be solved. As we look deeper into these cosmic mysteries, they lead us to new discoveries that make us question what we think we know about the world. This trip looks like it will not only shed light on the mysterious worlds of dark matter and dark energy, but it will also change the way we see our place in the universe. The unknown road ahead of us calls us to question, explore, and find out one mystery at a time. The universe's hidden truths, let's keep going and be open to the unknown as we continue to figure out how black holes, dark matter, and dark energy weave together the fabric of the universe. The universe full of unsolved riddles waits for us to be curious and brave enough to look beyond what we know now. We work with ideas that are so hard to imagine that they go beyond the limits of what we know about physics and into the world of theoretical explorations. A lot of interesting ideas have been put forward about black holes, both as cosmic events and as doorways to other worlds. The idea that universes could be inside black holes opens up a mind-boggling possibility. Each black hole's crushing gravity and twisted space, time could not only destroy everything, but also create a new universe. This theory is based on the idea that the singularity, which is an area of endless density at the center of a black hole, could be the start of a big bang that creates a new universe inside the black hole. This universe would be different from ours and impossible to understand. It would have its own science and time frame. In the same way, some people think that our universe might be inside the event horizon of a very large black hole in a place with more dimensions. This idea connects to string theory and the idea of brane worlds, which say that our universe is like a membrane floating in a place with more dimensions. Maybe inside a black hole, this is a very different way to look at the universe's very precise physical rules. They could be the result of the black hole's properties when our universe was formed. Also, studying how time slows down near black holes is not only interesting from an academic point of view, but it also gives us a glimpse into how reality works. As we get closer to a black hole, time doesn't just slow down, it also stretches, twists, and warps, giving us a real sense of how the world can change. Einstein's theory of relativity forecasts this effect, which has huge effects on our understanding of not only black holes but also time and space in general. As this idea grows, the multiverse theory comes into being, which says that black holes might be the links between different worlds. Each black hole might have its own singularity, which could be a doorway to another universe. A black hole could mark the entry, and a white hole, which is the theoretical opposite of a black hole and where matter and energy are thrown out, could mark the exit. This system of cosmic tubes could support a very large multiverse in which black holes connect all the universes. As we delve into these areas of speculation, we are on the verge of making important discoveries. What we learn about black holes, time dilation, and what they mean for the universe and beyond takes us into a world where new information is always being added. Come along with us as we explore the enigmas of black holes and how they might hold the key to unlocking the puzzles of the multiverse. The search for answers to these cosmic mysteries is far from over. As new information is found, it reveals more questions than answers about the universe's secrets. We are now on the verge of making these groundbreaking finds. Our journey into the unknown of the universe continues. Come with us as we move forward, eager to find the next part of our story, as we try to figure out the world and our place in it. Because we are naturally curious and amazed, the future of exploring space is full of exciting opportunities. When we stand on the edge of the unknown and look into the abyss of black holes, we are reminded of how complicated the world is and how curious we are. The journey into the depths of darkness, into the mysteries of black holes, has only just begun. But it has already changed the way we think about the universe. People used to think that these cosmic mysteries were the end of matter and energy, but now they look like the start of a new understanding. They give us clues about how space-time works, whether there are other worlds and our own future. The amazing power of black holes makes us realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. It pushes us to see things from different angles, to be open to the unknown, and to think about all the options that lie ahead. More study of black holes and the universe in the future could reveal secrets not only about the universe, but also about what reality is made of. As we learn more about these cosmic secrets, we might find answers to some of the most basic questions about what it means to be alive, time, and space. We are getting better at understanding the universe and our place in it with each new finding, no matter how small. Keep wondering, keep getting ideas, and keep being amazed by the night sky. The trip isn't over yet. In fact, it's just getting started. The future of space exploration is full of exciting options, and we can all join it. Come along on this big journey because the universe isn't just something to look at. It's something to understand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the video on your screen for another amazing journey.